Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a special fun fold called the Split Dutch Door. It goes like this, and I used the In Color DSP 2026 to 2028. So you're going to start with a piece measuring 8.5 by 8. You're going to score it 2 on 1 1/8 on the left and both sides, and then you're going to score horizontally in between the scores at 2 3/4. Then you're going to take your trimmer and follow the score lines and cut all the way down till 5.5. Down that way and then across that way. And this is what your card base is going to look like. So that's how I got to this one. And these are the, so you can pause right now for the measurements. Alright, so you need an inside card 4x5. You need 3 pieces of DSP, 2 that are the same, that are 4 and 2.5, and 1 that's 2 3/4 by 4 that fit on top of this piece. That is 3 by 4 1/4. Then you need 4 pieces of DSP, sorry, 1 7/8 by 2 1/4. These are the same piece, I just flipped them over. So that way you have different ones. So I will pause. I just realized I just wrote that twice, cardstock. Alright, let me get these out of the way. Okay, first things first. We can go ahead and fold along the score lines. And that. We're going to go ahead and place this on top of the coordinating cardstock. Let me get my alright, so little Seal Plus goes right there, centered in there. These 2 pieces, one goes here on the front, and this is, I believe, the crisp cantaloupe. And then this one goes on the inside here. And you can use either side. I decided to match and do the same side on the hooves. So there. Then this piece is going to go in the center. For your sentiment, for you to write on. And then these 2 pieces, I'll put the big circles on the inside. I'll put one a little over here. And I like going clockwise just to make sure my corners stay down. And I'm going to close these and get the other 2 on the outside here. And then bring this, and remember you're only going to put it here. So my secret is to put adhesive on here because I can see it, and it's hard to judge where you want this. And I'll tell you what I mean by that. So here, so since I know it's going to go on this side, I'm just going to put the adhesive here. Then you don't have to worry about guessing. Center it. And that is it. So this one is the crisp cantaloupe, this is the golden glow. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and get many, many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks, and have a great day.